Hello friends, I am Brij Kishore Sharma, Tara from Rajnandgoan, Chhattisgarh, India, and today I have a new item for your kind observation as well as a little entertainment. This is my 35 non-reflex film camera. Its brand name is Kodak and it was manufactured in the Federal Republic of Germany, erstwhile known as West Germany. You can see here the brand name Kodak, and below the brand name is written made in Germany. A very good quality camera, full metal body, which ensures the long life of this model. This is fixed lens system, viewfinder, knob for taking shots, and to move the film forward, this camera has a unique lever system which is fitted below the camera, not on the upper side as is done in all other cameras. Viewfinder from back side, and this socket is meant for fitting flash, and to open the camera we have to push this knob. This is the internal side of the camera. This is film chamber, and this chamber is meant for lens, which is there as you can see, serrated wheels through which the film moves forward to this drum. Just see, I am moving this lever. I hope that you must have liked this presentation, though a very little. Thank you for watching.